In Goa, every plate tells a story, whilst every sunset paints the sky. We have entered into the post-monsoon season here in Goa. So now is the time to dive deep into India's authentic cuisines upon the sunny beaches. In this video, I will take you on a food tour in my hometown of Agonda and show you how I enjoy the blend of food and beach time upon the Goan shoreline. The first stop was Dunhill Restaurant, which is located on Agonda Beach. So as you can imagine, I got to take a dip and also enjoy the beach views, cooking preps and eating for an entire day. When I entered the Dunhill Kitchen, the hard-working staff were preparing my vegetable biryani. Biryani is derived from the Persian word biryan, which means fried before cooking, and birinj, the Persian word for rice. Whilst there are many theories about how biryani made its way to India, it is generally accepted that it originated in West Asia. Nowadays, biryani is part and parcel of local Indian cuisine. Masala Chai is a traditional drink consisting of tea powder and a variety of herbs and spices. As you can see, it is combined with milk, and as you can imagine, it is rich and aromatic.
first spoonful of the biryani rice with the spices and the yogurt and the veg, just basically all mixed in. Amazing. And it is spinach biryani, so very high in protein, and of course all nutritionally dense with all the vegetables. Biryani on the beach. How amazing is that view? And that, my friends, is my actual view. Biryani beach view. One amazing masala chai for me. So they didn't put any sweetener in, remember? It's amazing, but yes, it needs some sweetener. I've got some sugar on the table, but you can ask for jaggery, but I can't be bothered asking for jaggery, so I'm just going to use the sugar for today. Although it's not very good for you, and you do need quite a bit because of the amount of spices in there. Just to kind of soothe it out, if you know what I mean. Right, we'll see if that's enough sugar. I'll try it with the teaspoon to check. Perfect. I will sit and enjoy this cup of tea by the sea. And you know what? People are so nice because they always offer to buy me a chai.
I'll buy you a chai.
Thank you.
I will buy the chai especially for you in India.
Thank you. Oh my goodness, thank you.
I'll buy you chai.
Thank you.
I will bring you some chai.
Thank you.
I will buy you a chai.
Yeah.
I will buy you chai.
You'll buy me chai. Thank you. Thank you.
I will buy you a chai.
Thank you.
After all of those kind offers of chai, I headed to one of my favourite places of all time, Fatima's, for dhal and chapati. Dal fry is a traditional Indian dish made with lentils, onions, herbs and spices. In India, dal is part of the staple diet in Indian homes. During my childhood, I ate dal most days as both my parents were Indian. During this particular cooking session, the aromatic flavours made me feel nostalgic as they brought about amazing childhood memories of my mother cooking authentic Indian cuisine in my childhood home back in England.
lovely how they serve it out of a bucket. They put the dal in the bucket, and again it's of copper consistency, the bucket, so of course it's got very good immunity, very good health benefits. What I really enjoyed about that cooking, you know, when they get the oil and they heat the oil and then they place the garlic, and the aroma of that was just super. It was awesome. So ready for dinner, definitely. What I feel are the most prevalent ingredients in this is the garlic and also the coriander. It just seems to be that combination in the dal fry with everything else that just gives this the most amazing taste. So for pudding, I am having Sadura. Sadura, as you can see, it's whipped cream and it's layered with breadcrumbs. This is actually a Portuguese dessert because Portugal used to be part of Goa. In fact, the Portuguese colonised Goa, but for almost 40 years now, Goa is free from their ruling, which is great because India is empowered. And although it's free from ruling, what they did is they've actually kept their food, some of their food, and also some of their buildings. So we have got a European side to Goa, and I will link that vlog above. There, I think it's going to be linked there, about the buildings, and that's some European dessert, Portuguese dessert. So I think it's about time we tried it, because it's Indo-Portuguese, it's beautifully culturally blended is Goa. So many facts about Goa when people just think it's just all about tourism. No, not at all. So there's breadcrumbs, there's cream, it's been in the fridge, so it's cold. Whoa, magical, absolutely magical dessert. So do see if you can get some culturally blended experiences between dal, biryanis and Sadura on your visit here to Goa. Ah, the food in Goa is so healthy and so delicious. And yeah, good few people would like to buy me a chai. Isn't that lovely? And you too can buy me a chai. I do have a link if you would like to buy me a chai, and the link is in the comment section. I'll put it in the comment section and the description box for you. And of course I can do things for you as well, like there'll be perks such as monthly newsletters, perhaps some behind the scenes that you can see, even some private videos that I wouldn't put out in the public. You can see them too. Even video calls with me in exchange for buying the chai, and of course depending on what level you would like to do, for a monthly contribution or a one-off contribution. But much gratitude to everybody who buys me a chai. It helps me to keep the videos coming. So thank you all very much for watching. Shanti Shanti Shanti, Om Namah Shivaya. And I would absolutely love it if you gave the video a thumbs up, because it will help support the channel, help support the local businesses, and because it kind of activates the YouTube algorithm, you see. So all the support is just amazing through likes and comments. However you wish to support, I'd be so grateful. So thank you all very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Namaste and bye for now.